Connected. A as in apple. V as in violin. Z as in zebra. W as in walnut. T as in telephone. Hindi version activated. क से कबूतर. ग से गाजर. घ से घर. ख से खरगोश. क से कबूतर. ग से गाजर.
This is the demonstration for the LEARNOPHONE device and its supporting mobile application. The LEARNOPHONE device is powered by a rechargeable battery, making it completely mobile. As you can see, these 6 LEDs represent the 3x2 Braille matrix used to display Braille alphabets in a physical form, which can be read by feel. The LEDs represent the 6 actuators, just like the 2 on the upper left corner that will be used to create the Braille indentations. On opening the app, the first step is to connect the device with Bluetooth using the Bluetooth button and choose the device from the drop-down menu. The user will be notified with a confirmatory message upon successful connection. Now the user can press any letter displayed on the screen to generate a Braille indent on the device, accompanied with a voice message. A headphone can be also used with device. The user has the freedom to choose between Hindi, English or numbers. Implementation of many more languages is also in development phase.